You've seen the hype online, people claiming they're making $10,000 or more per month day trading from their couch. It sounds too good to be true, right? Well, believe it or not, with the right strategy and mindset, couch trading really can make you a fortune. Allow us to share our secrets with you in this video guide to becoming a six-figure couch trader. The first step, set up your home office. Trading from home requires a few key things: comfortable seating, multiple large monitors, fast internet, and a quiet space where you can focus. Make sure you have a large desk or dining table area to spread out your setup. Comfort is key, as you'll be sitting for long hours, so invest in an ergonomic chair that supports your back. As for monitors, the more the merrier. Having 3 monitors allows you to see multiple charts and data screens at once for optimal situational awareness. You don't need fancy 4K displays. Affordable 1080 pixel screens will do the job perfectly. Reliable high-speed internet is mandatory as well. Trading requires fast connectivity for placing orders, so don't skimp here. Select a quiet room away from distractions. Close the door, turn off notifications on your devices, and soundproof if possible. You need to be able to focus 100% during market hours without interruptions. Make your home office a serious professional trading environment. Test your setup and paper trade. Now that your battle station is set up, it's time to fire up your trading platform and paper trade for a few months. This allows you to practice your strategies risk-free before going live with real money. Paper trading is absolutely essential. It's where you'll work the kinks out of your system through trial and error. Take this time to learn the ins and outs of placing orders, monitoring positions, and properly utilizing indicators and screeners. Figure out which trades work for you and which don't. Learn from your mistakes without any financial consequences. Get a feel for the rhythms and flows of the markets. Once you feel confident placing trades on autopilot, it's time to take the training wheels off. Start small and scale slowly. Don't go all in with your life savings right away. Practice risk management from the beginning with a small starter account of $500 to $1,000. Trade with only 1 to 2% of your balance per trade to minimize risk as you transition to lead markets. Focus on consistency, not massive overnight gains. Small, steady wins add up over time. Remember, you're running a business now. Treat it with the discipline of a CEO, not the gambling mentality of a casual player. Come up with a proven trading plan and stick to it with laser focus, cutting losses short and letting winners ride. Manage your risk on every trade. Scale in slowly as your confidence and skills grow. In a few months, you'll be ready to size up as your profits compound. Don't get distracted. Trading is your new job. The grind never stops when you go pro. Stay focused on improvement every single day. View trading as your full-time occupation now. Wake up early, treat it like a 9 to 5, and study markets before and after hours as well. Find mentors online to learn advanced techniques from, and surround yourself with other successful traders for motivation and wisdom. Avoid distractions by setting clear work or life boundaries. Shut your laptop at the closing bell and enjoy your personal life, but be vigilant when the futures open back up. There will be losing days. Don't take it personally, review what went wrong, and get right back to work the next morning with a positive attitude. Be relentlessly self-educating as conditions change. With diligence and dedication to the craft, steady profits will follow. Automate your wins and move to big boards. Once you've developed an edge through extensive practice and proven strategies, it's time to scale up and start raking in the big bucks. Invest in trading bots and algorithms to automate your best setups, freeing up your time for more advanced analysis. Monitor the bots closely at first before letting them run autonomously. Switch to trading higher-priced stocks and futures contracts as your bankroll allows for larger position sizes. Six-figure accounts enable opportunities in big tech, oil, currencies, and more. Sophisticated traders combine positions across multiple assets for diversification. Research the most liquid products and exchanges for optimal order fills. With the right automation in place, $10,000 months will feel easy. Go part-time, then full-time freedom. As the profits start rolling in, evaluate leaving your day job part-time at first. Once trading consistently sustains your lifestyle, say goodbye to the office for good. Make sure to set aside enough for taxes and establish sound money management habits to ensure longevity. With steady discipline, continued self-improvement, and patience, you'll progress from a part-timer to a full-fledged professional trader, earning multiple six figures from your Couch Command Center every year. Financial independence is just the start too. As a remote entrepreneur, you can work and live anywhere in the world. Use your flexible schedule to travel, spend more time with loved ones, or discover new hobbies and passion projects. Trading gives ultra-high pay for modest hours once you perfect your personalized system. You can carve your own path in this burgeoning industry. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more trading tips and strategies. Like, comment, subscribe.